Remember when we used to trespass to the old cannery next door? Flock of blackbirds gave away her location, ran to my car and put it in sport. Oh, you are my wavelength, perfect quantum entanglement. You're as pretty as a meadow, as stubborn as a rock. You're the one, my love, my love. I miss when we used to go driving, screaming, kill me girl as loud as we could. Windows down, wind blowing through our hair. I've never felt so understood. You'd always sit down right beside me. We'd go look at the stars, say something beautiful, and I'd sit there stunned by the sheer poetry of it all. Oh, you are my wavelength, perfect quantum entanglement. You're as pretty as a meadow, as stubborn